obviously we can't cover all of DevSecOps topics in 30 minutes. However, as we said, it is a journey, and we can share some of the initial lessons learned from our journey with our customers.
So that journey for our customers often starts with us as we are part of our customer supply chain. So the Upstream open source community is the start of our own pipeline. So how do we at Red Hat trust and consume Upstream open source securely? And how do we make Upstream open source enterprise ready and verify that content for our customers? So you can see here the diagram, right? So everything we do, it starts at the Upstream. We're very picky about what packages actually end up in our products, right? We'll do a careful Bugzilla package review. Once we approve that, we put that package into our release process, track that package in our Upstream Fedora, and then from there, we decide, okay, which packages do we want to put in RHEL? We do full static code analysis of all of our source code. Even at compile time, we're looking for security holes and security bugs, and we have compiler flags for additional hardening, like looking for preventing things like memory leaks. We do full quality assurance, quality engineering testing. We sign all the packages that we ship. We have a secure way of distributing our packages, and we continuously monitor our software and provide continuous security updates, and this is the work of our product security team. So as William showed earlier, DevSecOps is not just about the application lifecycle, right? So one of the DevSecOps baby steps is to make sure that you secure your infrastructure and application pipeline in your traditional VM environment as well in an automated fashion, right? So you have this automation done in this iterative, continuous improving fashion, security fashion, right? For your traditional physical machine and VM environment. For example, you want to do that full vulnerability and compliance scanning at scale across all your hosts. Do those host hardening steps like locking down SSH. Make sure you have a strategy in place to provision hardened hosts in an automated fashion. Have a strategy in place for automated patching, right? A lot of CISOs, that is one of their number one things they focus on having a patching strategy. You want to have an automated patching strategy across your environments, whether it's dev, QA, prod. Have an automated way to do compliance against security policies. Use things like predictive analytics and AI and ML to do security at scale across all your hosts. And then using a container platform, in Red Hat's case, like OpenShift, you can enable faster and more scalable DevSecOps. The containers are not required to do DevSecOps, but it definitely makes it much easier, much faster, and much more scalable. And then you can build that secure development lifecycle environment for your infrastructure, for your application. A containerized platform allows things like automated builds. It allows you to build security right into your pipeline. It allows for things like automated operations as well. And so DevSecOps allows you to build security right into the application, creating that automated security factory where the security tools are integrated right into the build process, and you can easily break the build if security requirements are not met with the security gates that you build into your CI/CD pipeline. So the pipeline that you see here, what you see here is, you'll check out the Java web application source code from a Git repository, you build it, run automated tests, perform static code analysis. In this case, the example is with SonarQube. You send the producer artifact to SonarQube Nexus for storage. You build a container image containing our application. You push it to Quay for additional security scanning, like for vulnerabilities. Perform an OpenSCAP scan to do compliance scanning. Deploy that application to OpenShift so that it can be scanned for web vulnerabilities by OSZAP. Then we have that opportunity to promote the application to other OpenShift projects if we're satisfied with the results. You can see more details about this pipeline and how to build this pipeline directly using the Ansible playbook we have by going to red.ht/security-lab. The other thing I want to provide you here is that our Red Hat Innovation Labs, which provides that residency experience and helps customers, bootstrap DevOps, right? give you a place to start and in terms of your DevOps journey, right? Give you the tooling in place and help you build your DevOps pipeline. So they actually, all the tools they use, you can find that in this GitHub link here, github.com, the github.com link at the bottom there. So that we just want to provide you with that as a starting point as well.